Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about the Rokon motorcycle, a machine that stands out from the rest. If you're into off-road adventures, hunting, or exploring the most rugged terrains, then the Rokon is a name you should know. This unique motorcycle has been around for decades, and it continues to impress riders with its incredible design and performance. Rokon motorcycles are unlike your average two-wheelers. They are built for extreme conditions, featuring a rugged frame, wide tires, and a two-wheel drive system that allows them to conquer mud, snow, sand, and rocky paths with ease. One of the key features of a Rokon is its lightweight design, which makes it easy to maneuver even in tight spaces. It's not about speed with a Rokon, it's about control, power, and reliability. One of the most striking aspects of the Rokon is its two-wheel drive system. Unlike traditional motorcycles, which rely only on the rear wheel for propulsion, the Rokon sends power to both wheels, giving it superior traction in slippery or uneven terrain. This means you can climb steep hills, cross streams, and navigate through thick mud without getting stuck. The low-end torque of the engine ensures that the bike keeps moving, even in the toughest situations. Rokon motorcycles are powered by a simple yet effective engine. Most models come with a 208cc or similar size 4-stroke engine, producing enough power to get you through challenging terrains without consuming too much fuel. The bikes are designed for efficiency rather than speed, with a top speed of around 35 miles per hour. This makes them perfect for off-road adventures where stability and reliability matter more than outright velocity. Another amazing feature of the Rokon is its ability to float. Yes, you heard that right. The hollow drum wheels of the bike can store fuel or water, but they also act as flotation devices, allowing the motorcycle to stay afloat in water. This makes it incredibly useful for crossing rivers or flooded areas without worrying about the bike sinking. This is a unique feature that sets the Rokon apart from almost every other motorcycle on the market. The tires on a Rokon are another major advantage. These are large, wide, and designed to provide excellent grip in all conditions. Whether you're riding on loose gravel, deep snow, or soft sand, the tires help maintain stability and prevent sinking. Combined with the two-wheel drive system, this ensures that the Rokon keeps moving forward, no matter what kind of surface it encounters. Maintenance and durability are other strong points of the Rokon. These motorcycles are built to last, with a simple and robust design that minimizes mechanical failures. Since they don't rely on complex electronics, they can be repaired easily, even in remote locations. Many riders appreciate this aspect because it means they can trust their Rokon to perform without constant maintenance or worrying about complicated breakdowns. Who should consider getting a Rokon? If you're a hunter, a farmer, a survivalist, or just someone who loves off-road adventures, this motorcycle is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for reaching remote areas where regular motorcycles or ATVs might struggle. Some riders even use Rokons for rescue missions and military operations, thanks to their ability to tackle harsh environments with ease. Rokon motorcycles are also incredibly fuel efficient. Their small engines and lightweight frames allow them to cover long distances on minimal fuel, making them an excellent choice for long off-road trips where refueling options are limited. The simplicity of the engine also means fewer moving parts, reducing the chances of mechanical issues on extended journeys. Another interesting fact about the Rokon is its adaptability. You can equip it with various accessories, such as cargo racks, trailers, and even winches, to make it more useful for your specific needs. Some people use Rokons to haul supplies in the wilderness, while others attach hunting gear or camping equipment to make their outdoor adventures more convenient. One of the reasons why Rokon motorcycles have remained popular for so many years is their unmatched versatility. Unlike traditional dirt bikes or dual-sport motorcycles, which have limitations in extreme conditions, the Rokon is designed specifically for the roughest environments. Whether you're navigating through deep mud, climbing steep hills, or crossing a frozen lake, this bike can handle it all. Another factor that makes the Rokon unique is its history. The company has been manufacturing these motorcycles for decades, constantly improving their design while keeping the core concept intact. They have been used in military operations, agricultural work, and even exploration missions in some of the most remote places on Earth. This long history of reliability is a testament to the quality and effectiveness of the Rokon design. Owning a Rokon is not just about having a motorcycle, it's about having a reliable tool that can get you through places that other bikes simply can't. It's a machine designed for people who need more than just transportation. They need dependability, toughness, and the ability to explore without limits. If you've never ridden a Rokon before, it's something you should definitely experience. The feeling of effortlessly gliding over rough terrain, climbing steep slopes, and crossing obstacles that would stop most other motorcycles is truly unique. It's a different kind of riding, one that's all about adventure, exploration, and freedom. So, if you're looking for a motorcycle that can handle anything nature throws at it, the Rokon is an excellent choice. Whether you're a seasoned off-road rider or someone looking for a reliable bike for outdoor work, this machine won't disappoint. It's built to go where others can't, making it one of the most capable motorcycles ever made. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome content. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Rokon or if you've ever ridden one. See you in the next video.